this video, I'm going to show you how to play Kurt Carr's For Every Mountain in shout music. Let's get into it. For every mountain you brought me over, for every trial you see me through, every blessing, hallelujah, for this I give you. For every mountain you brought me over, for every trial see me through, all right, so I'm in the key of B flat minor. All right, so let's do the first layer first. So for every mountain you've brought me over, for every trial, okay? And then you're gonna go, so technically this is not a beginner song, but I'm gonna simplify it as much as I can. And then we'll go, you see me through, okay? And then we'll go, for every blessing, hallelujah, for this I give you praise. All right, so we're on B flat on the bass. On the right hand, we're gonna play B flat minor, F, B flat, C sharp, for every mountain. And then we're gonna play that B flat minor chord on A flat. You've brought me over, okay? And then on F sharp, we're gonna play F sharp major. For every trial, F sharp, B flat, E flat. And then we'll go, you see me, so E flat major on C. So E flat, G, B flat, me through. And then right here, we're gonna play E flat minor chord, E flat, F sharp, A. And then we'll go to B flat major, F, B flat, D. For every blessing. And then right here on E flat, we're gonna play E flat minor, B flat, E flat, F sharp. Hallelujah. And all you do is just bring your E flat to C sharp, same chord. So then we'll go to, for this C major, G, C, E, I give. And then we'll go to F major, A, C, F, you praise. And then we'll go to B flat minor. So that's the first layer, layer one. Now listen, if you feel like this is not for beginners, this is not a song for beginners. But I just have to simplify it to make it work. And I will tell you this though, if you have a good teacher, you can play anything as long as you put in the work. All right, so let's go to layer two. For every mountain you've brought me over, for every trial you see me through, for every blessing, hallelujah, for this I give you praise. All right, so I went, for every mountain. So what did I just do? Let's break it down. B flat minor, add 9, F, B flat, C, C sharp. Every mountain, okay? Play that same chord on A flat. You've brought me over. And then F sharp major, add 9. And left hand F sharp and C sharp. For every trial, And then we'll go left hand C, G, right hand E flat major 7th or 9th. You see me through. And then we'll do a E flat diminished 7th, okay? And then let's go to B flat major add 9. Every blessing. E flat minor on the right, left hand E flat and B flat. Hallelujah. You play the same thing on the right hand and just go to C sharp and A flat. And then for this, C sharp major add 9 on the right, G, C, D, E, left hand C and G. I give F major on the right, A, C, F, left hand F, C. You praise. And then we'll land on B flat minor again. So let's do layer 3, okay? We'll just basically advance. For every mountain you brought me over, for every trial you see me through. Hallelujah, for this I give you praise. All right, and then I did that. I forgot who I got this from. I wish I knew so I could shout them out, but it was like if y'all know, tell me in the comments. And then okay, so let's go to B flat. For every mountain, B flat major add 9. It's basically the same as layer 2. We're just gonna add a few movements. You brought me over. Oh, and then we'll go to C sharp. And we're gonna play an F suspended 4 chord. F, B flat, C, F. And then I did a little movement in between. Okay. A, B flat, B. Landing on F sharp, okay? And then you can go, so right hand B flat, C, C sharp, E flat, left hand B flat, A flat, F sharp, F. Land on that C with that E flat major 7th or 9th, okay? If you can't stretch to the major 7th, if you can't stretch to the 9th, just play the 7th. Okay. Land on the F, F and C, and it's gonna be a E flat diminished 7th. Okay, and then we'll go B flat major add 9 on B flat. And what I really did right here, I went to that B flat, I went. Okay, so what I did right here, I went. So basically, as I go to the B, so I went. So I switched like C, right hand, C, B, left hand, E flat, D. Okay, but what I'm doing, I'm basically playing an F minor chord with that on the right hand, B flat, C, F. Okay, so go back to it. So C, F, and then, so let me slow that down. And then I went A diminished 7th, left hand, F sharp, F sharp, F, F sharp. So after that, I go to the A diminished 7th, and then I go to the A flat diminished 7th. So F sharp, F, F sharp, like that. And then I land on the E flat. And on the right hand, I slide from that E flat to go to the F with the A flat right here. And then a E flat and B flat right here, okay? Leading tone to the F major chord. And then I land back on that B flat. And then the thing I did at the end, so I went B flat minor, F major, and then back to B flat minor. So left hand is going to be B flat, A, C, B flat. And I just kind of slide from C sharp, D, E flat, I slide up to that E flat. Like that. And then I kind of do the same thing or similar when I go to, I'll go to E flat on the left hand, and I play an E flat minor chord on the right. And I play a B major chord, okay? So B flat, D, F. And then I slide from the F sharp to the G to the A flat. And then land back on the E flat minor chord. And on the left hand, I'm E flat, D, F, E flat. And then I go back to that C to bring it back around. With the E flat major 7 for a 9th. E flat diminished 7th. Then I just start over. For every mountain. And then you can build up. Let me start back over. So you can build up to make it more intense. For every mountain, you brought me over. For every trial, you see me through. Hallelujah for this. Build up again. I give you. There you go. Listen, if you want to learn my system, you want to learn how to play keys by ear using the number system, you can sign up. $1 7-day trial, and after that, it's only $10 a month. It's called Gospel Piano Made Simple. All right.